Guys, please be ready for dictation from New Era Pittman Shorthand, Chapter 6, Phraseography. Start. I have, I thank you, with much, with which, with each. I can, I am, I will. He may, if he may, he should know, if he should know, so much, how much, where, were, they were, you were, if they were, if he were, of him, to him, of the, and the, should the, with the, by the, if the, have the, beyond the, what the, how the, at the, which the, was the. Now phrases. I thank you. I think you should be. I have the. I have had. I saw the. I see. I am. I may be. I will. I will be. You should. You should be. You can. You will. You will be. You may be. You were. If you were. They were. How can they? Why do you? Why have you? With you. So much. With much. With which. With each. When they. What do you? What was? What can be? It would be. It should be. It will be. It was. Which was. Which were. He should be. He will be. If he were. Too much. Now grammalogs. Thank, thanked. Think, though, them. Was, whose, shall, wish, with, when, what, would, oh. He. Next exercise 21. I may be with you on Monday, the 4th of May. If you will be ready when I come, I shall be happy to take the ride with you to the show. I think you will enjoy the ride and you may take a fair share of the game. How do you like the new book? I think you were right to come away when you were feeling weary. I have had a talk with Webb and Duke, who were both at the party on Monday. I saw Booth today and he will be with us at the show. If you should know anybody who can share the work of the opera with us, I shall be happy to know. I have a new camera which I should like to show you when I see you. I shall be happy to see you tomorrow if you can come. Next exercise 22. Why do you think he was aware of the likely failure of the firm? I thank you for the tube of color, which I think should be all right. They deny they were at the tower at the time of the fire. I think you owe the head an apology for the way you hurried away on Monday. If he were aware of the date, he would, I think, have come with us. Kenneth Doyle, whose view all of us share, wrote to say he would arrive at 5. I think too much time was given to the topic. What do you think?